What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Long Time Coming. Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss an episode of Long Time Coming. Hit the like button, comment, do whatever you want to do. This is a real quick video, real quick, real fast, real fast, real quick. We are talking about flower beds real quick. I just want to show you guys a little something that I do, which might help you guys also out there in the yard. First and foremost, if you are going to work with your flower beds, and if you are going to put a border like this, if you're going to do something like this, a little cheap plastic border around, the best thing for you to do is grab yourself one of these, if need be. This right here is the Weasel chopper. And what this does is you pop it in here, boom, you press down, boom, and then you can wiggle back and forth, and you can make that edge extra crispy. Yeah. But it also helps. It's a lot easier. Sometimes you might have to dig a trench or whatnot. Don't worry about all that. Grab yourself one of these. I don't even know if they even make this kind anymore. I think they got like a different model and whatnot. Got it from Lowe's. But I'm sure you can get it from anywhere. Mom and pop stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere you want to get it. I bought this and it works miracles. It gives you that straight edge that you need. That way it's easier for you just to lay down your landscaping edging right in there. Tip number 2, if you are working in a flower bed and if you're having a problem with weeds is a big thing for a lot of us. In this area here, I didn't have a lot of weeds. I had like a lot of common Bermuda that grew up through the grass. I just kind of pulled it up, no problem. But if you have weeds here in your flower bed, one of the things that you guys can do is what I have done. Many other projects, you can check out some of those videos, especially when I worked on the side there, is get yourself plastic bags. Now, if you don't want to spend the money on the expensive bags, that's fine. The heavy duty ones, don't worry about that. That's okay. Go to the dollar store, go to the Dollar Tree, get yourself some of the little thin bags. If you want a little bit more protection, some people can use the heavy duty bags from like Home Depot or Lowe's if you don't mind cutting them up. But what you can do is,
bye, Felicia.
What you can do is get the bag, open it up, cut it through the middle into a triangle, and that way you can fit it. You can fit it exactly where you want it to be. And you can cut around in the back area, in the front area, make it small. But if you lay that plastic bag on top of that dirt where those weeds are, the plastic bag will cover, it will suffocate the weeds, it won't shoot through. I have tried the net before, the net didn't work out for me. I either use plastic bags, or number 2 what I use is newspaper. If you want it free and you want to spend the money on plastic bags, go grab yourself newspaper, penny saver, anything of that nature, and then you can lay the newspaper down and cover your whole area. That way the weeds won't shoot through also. It's a little bit more tricky because you gotta kind of the newspaper is a lot smaller than a plastic bag, so you gotta try to get something to hold it down, especially if the wind is blowing like it is today. For me, for this project, I'm not gonna do any of that because I don't have a lot of weeds here that grew up through it. They did a real good job with mulching, because all I'm gonna do is put the edging down and just pop the mulch on top. But if you are having a problem with weeds coming up in your flower bed, please use that. Use the plastic bags or use the newspaper. Lay it down, put your mulch and everything on top, bada bang, bada boom. Realest guys in the room, how you doing? So, in that case, let's get this issue down. Now, if you want it deeper, then just put it down a little bit more deeper. That's perfectly fine. If you want it higher, like I have it, so that way when I cut the grass and everything, it doesn't shoot, the grass doesn't shoot into the flower bed. That's fine too. I just do some dirt, spread the dirt out right behind it, just to kind of push it down, keep it up. Bada bang, bada boom. Next step after that, cut the side here, and then throw the mulch down. Just like that, people. Now my last step is just to smooth it all out. That's all. But I ain't gonna waste your time on that. I know y'all got stuff to do. But once again, if you're having problems with weeds, use paper towel. Use paper towel. I don't know. Use newspaper and use plastic bags. Cut them up the middle into a triangle. Lay them down. Cut it to the size that you need. If you are looking to put a landscaping like I did, you can go a little bit higher, a little bit lower. It's your choice. Grab that weasel topper too. You know, it makes your life a lot easier. Get your mulch, lay it down on top of them bags, weed problem be gone. Once again, I didn't use it. I didn't have too many problems with weeds in this section. I'm gonna just smooth out this mulch. And then we're done. Until next time. Thanks for coming back to another episode of Long Time Coming. Peace.